Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to do a get my house in order video, honey. It is well overdue because I have no groceries in my fridge. My kitchen looks a mess. My living room is everywhere. My carpet needs to be vacuumed. Just life needs to be done. So I am going to take you guys along this day's journey of getting my house in order, or at least the front part of my house in order. So yes, let's go ahead and get into this video.
I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now. Never get.
So anytime I need to do any type of cleaning to the house, I change clothes and just get comfortable, honey, because you don't know all kinds of bins and stuff you may need to do. So I have on my little footies that I got from Torrid. I love these things. I wear them all the time. And I got these shorts from Ashley Stewart. They're the ones that I showed you guys not too long ago. And the top I have on is from my aunt. I have no idea where she gets it. But this is what my fridge looks like, honey. Look at all the space that is available in this fridge for food that has not been occupied. Yes, that is the type of life I have been living. So I decided to go grocery shopping. Thank God. Went ahead and got a lot more healthy foods, like low carb type food, because I need to get back onto my healthy eating. I have been very tired. I've been very, I've probably gained some more weight back. You know, it's just, I've been super busy and just got off of the low carb, kind of got out of whack. And now it's time to get back on it and kind of focus on my health and prepare myself for bigger and better things. So that is what I am about to start doing. I'm going to eat all the bad things out of my fridge first, and then I'm going to start the low carb, and I'm going to stay on it until Thanksgiving, because who's going to be on low carb during Thanksgiving? Not I. So yes, that is what we're doing.
It will be heaven making love with you. Love is in.
So also, since your girl doesn't have a lot of tiles available in her master bathroom, I decided to go ahead and put some tiles on while I'm doing the kitchen, so that can be going on and having two things being done at once. So yes, I have different colored tiles for my master bathroom, and for my guest bathroom I have gray tiles for master, black for guest bathroom, so I can keep them separate. So yes, that makes it easy to keep things, you know, where they should be. And right now I'm just going to be collecting all the trash first. That's usually what I do when I get ready to do the kitchen. Before doing any dishes, I just get all the trash up everywhere, put them in a trash bag, and take that trash out and replace it. So that's what I'm doing here. Before I get heavy into the kitchen, I'm going to sprinkle some of this Glade Clean Linen carpet freshener on my carpet in my bedroom. Honey, if you guys have not used that, let me tell you, it is the best smelling thing I have ever smelled. I really, really love the way clean linen smells. If you are one of the people that purchased the perfume that I was talking about in my mini pamper routine video, you know that I love the smell of clean laundry. And this clean linen Glade, this is not sponsored by the way, but this clean linen Glade carpet freshener is absolutely amazing. And I still walk into my bedroom now and smell this as if I just sprinkled it into my carpet. So you just put it on your carpet, leave it for a few minutes, but I'm leaving it for like an hour because I really need it to soak in and freshen up the carpet. And then you go and vacuum it up, and it keeps your room smelling absolutely amazing. So definitely check this out anywhere, Walmart, Target, all the places. Just check it out, girl.
There's another melody. You can't keep holding on.
So now to start the kitchen, I'm just gonna get all these dishes that's been sitting in the sink out of my face, because they have been looking at me every morning when I get ready to go to work, and I just need to get them done. So I have right now I'm actually just unloading the dishwasher, as you can see. But I actually split what I do as far as washing the dishes. I actually have certain things that I'm comfortable with going into the dishwasher, and then certain things that I would prefer to wash by hand. And of course I'll show you what I'm washing by hand. But my sink is mostly full of like Tupperware that I take with me to work for lunch because I've been trying to make sure that I am actually cooking more at the house to save coins, because my wallet is feeling a little bit better, like a lot heavier, because I have been eating from home. So a lot of the dishes that are in my sink are dishes from cooking and those that I use to take to work, and I just like sit them there, put them there, and like leave and go work on something else or read the Bible or something. I just, have not been in the habit of putting them straight in the dishwasher like I used to. But yes, I'm gonna have to get on it because my kitchen has been looking an absolute fool. Absolute fool.
In a melody, melody, melody. Oh, 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 melody. Oh, over you. Just another melody.
So I decided to just be extra and get this toaster and kettle from the UK because it is a Breville, I think is how you pronounce it, toaster and kettle, but they only sold this style in the UK, so I had a plug to go get it for me. But it has not been working as much as I wanted to, of course. And I had like a little adapter and everything from the UK to plug it in to make sure that it works. The guy that got it for me was like, it should work just fine, but it takes forever for things to get hot, like for my water to boil and for anything to get hot and done in the toaster. So I'll just have to give it to someone. I'm probably gonna give it back to him so that he can gift it to someone in his family. But yeah, these are the things that I'm actually going to wash by hand, because I don't like to put my potware and pans and anything metal or of that sort of whatever it's called. I don't like to put that in the dishwasher because it can easily rust, and it's my cookware. I just want to keep it looking as good as long as possible. And my mom actually kind of brought this up when she had me washing dishes at 8. Like, do not put this type of stuff in the dishwasher if you want it to last as long as it can. My pans, I actually got them from HEB, y'all. HEB has bomb pans. Like, I was like, okay, HEB is like a Walgreens and a Walmart and all the things put together in like little privileged areas. So I was like, oh my God, when I finally moved somewhere where I can shop from an HEB, I was like, Lord, I am blessed, highly favored.
I can't bear the thought of losing you.
So God is good. Finally got the sink empty. So what I've been using to wash my dishes is Mrs. Meyer's. I think it's a lemon fragrance. Her soap, and she has a multi-surface cleaner as well. But I have been using the Pledge multi-surface cleaner. And it smells really good, and it is amazing. It gets a lot of grease and just food and junk up off the countertop and on the stove as well. So yeah, this stove has been looking a mess, but thank God it was easy to clean. Usually I use with like the 4-top stove that have like the same size burners. I would use like a plastic cup, put them over there, spray directly on the stove, and then clean it that way. Which is a nice little hack if you guys have never tried that before. But yeah, as you can see, I'm still sweeping in these streets. The struggle, it's not a struggle, but I'm just complaining because I don't like sweeping. But yeah, I haven't just put in the budget of getting anything to vacuum. That would make it a lot easier for me to clean that way. So yeah, I'm actually more concerned right now about decor. I'm not gonna lie, I'm more concerned about my office. But yeah, just have to sweep some of this stuff up and get all of this off of my kitchen floor.
I always wanna feel like this, but at some point we miss up, right, sugar? And when we fight
So thank God my living room never becomes a huge mess. It's more about just kind of straightening things up, wiping off the table, and fixing the cushions on my couch. So that's what I'm going to do to straighten up the living room. And of course, I lounge in like the same chair every day. Like I really need to just alternate, but I'm always in the chair with the blanket, of course. So yeah, I'm just gonna like flip over the cushions, and I really don't get like food or anything in the couch. You know, I mostly like eat at the table. On the floor. I don't know why, but that's more comfortable for me. So there's no food or anything in my sofa for me to vacuum up, but it's just about like kind of positioning the cushions so that it doesn't look old fast or anything. I got this entire set from Rooms to Go, and I really, really love it. I forgot the name of the woman. Starts with a C, but yeah, she partnered with Rooms to Go in order to make this set, and I really love it. Love the pins, or I forgot what those things are called, but I love the little silver things on the edge and the tuft look. Love that. You can tell that from my bar stools. So of course phone, but yes, I am just straightening everything up and kind of getting the living room back in order. So now it is time to vacuum up this wonderful, beautiful, amazing scent that is living in my carpet. I am using the Power Force Bissell vacuum that I got from Walmart when I first moved into the house. It was very affordable. I don't remember how much it was, but it was affordable because I was buying up everything. So it was very affordable, and it's actually very lightweight and easy to use, easy to put together. So yes, love this vacuum. So that is it, y'all. Like, my life is not all the way together, but it is closer to being together because I actually cleaned my living room, my bedroom, and my kitchen most of all. Like, I got so tired of seeing this kitchen looking crazy when I was getting ready to go to work. So I had to get it together, and I'm glad you guys sat with me to do that because, honey, getting the kitchen together after it is not together is a task, and I'm sure you guys know that. But I definitely like to show you the regular, degular, schmegular days of life that you probably don't see a lot on YouTube, just regular people being regular. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and please click the bell for notifications. I want to make sure you guys are seeing all of my videos. So definitely click that bell and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys again next week. I love you guys, and see you in the comments. Bye.